Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to clear cache in Canva to fix loading issues, glitches, or slow performance. Clearing the browser or app cache can help refresh Canva and improve how it runs on your device. On your browser, to clear the Canva cache, the first thing we need to do is open a new tab and close the Canva tab. Once we have an empty tab, we need to go to the browser settings. From there, head over to the Privacy and Security section and select the option to delete browsing data. This is where we will clear the browser cache to remove all stored cache files. Simply check the cache option and then delete all cache and files. Once we confirm the deletion, all the cache and files linked to Canva will be removed. And that is how we clear cache in Canva in just a few simple steps. This can help fix common issues and keep Canva running smoothly.